I realized I was a walking contradiction when it came to convenience and efficiency. I rarely hand wash my dishes, not to mention my clothes. I always make fun of my friends when I see them using a rice cooker, as I've always categorized people using a rice cooker into two groups: lazy or cannot cook a pot of rice. I was making fun of my friend as usual, and no, he cannot cook a pot of rice without burning it. But he persisted on the convenience of owning a rice cooker. I got home and did some thinking and realized I eat out a lot. Just because I'm too lazy to cook sometimes. Well, most times. I swallowed my pride and went on Amazon and came across this $17 rice cooker from Salton, normally $21. The rice cooker had stellar reviews, but I was a bit concerned about the product quality and the 6-cup capacity, even though I'm only cooking for myself. Anyways, I went ahead and ordered it, and I was quite surprised at how compact it was. Accessories. The Salton rice cooker comes with standard accessories. 1. A non-stick cooking bowl. 2. A glass lid. 3. A steaming basket. 4. A plastic spoon. And 5. A measuring cup. Cooking with the Salton rice cooker is quite easy, as the instructions are really easy to follow. It basically takes 2 cups of water per cup of rice or quinoa, and 5.5 cups for 3 cups of rice. Cooking time. If you can't wait for more than 30 minutes for a pot of rice, then the Salton rice cooker isn't for you. It takes around 60 minutes to cook 6 cups of rice, which is terribly long, but it does take around 15 minutes to heat the water to its maximum cooking temperature. Something to keep in mind. The Salton only has 2 modes, a cooking mode and a warming mode. By default, the lever is always on the warming mode, so it's important to remember to push the lever to its cooking position, or you'll sit around waiting for rice that never cooks. Built standard, the warming mode is a nice touch, but Salton recommends not using the warming mode for more than 2 hours, and I would agree. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Salton rice cooker and would not hesitate to purchase it as a gift for friends or family. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, I'm Terrain. Subscribe!